Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here at SMTA Guadalajara 2024 and I am on the Stentech booth with Sergio. Sergio, thanks for talking to me. You're one of the founders of this business. Give me a little bit of background as to how the business was founded and what problems you were trying to solve.
Yeah, the business actually, initially was founded in 25 years ago.
Wow.
In Canada. That's where the company started. Then through acquisitions, we grow the company in the States. And when I joined the company was when we opened up the Mexico business. This was through an acquisition of Inner Latin.
Okay.
And this was in February 2020.
Okay.
Brand, Sid, and myself were the
founders at that stage. So you've been at this for 4 and a bit years. How's it gone? What's the progress like now?
This has been like a really good journey.
Yeah.
A learning process. Why? Because we have been growing like really fast. So we need to learn how to manage the growth. And really excited. Like every year has been a challenge, and we have been successful, especially with our mindset to provide service to the industry, solutions, and that's kind of our slogan.
Yeah, and I think the idea of solving problems, I was talking to Brent, over a third of the business is engineers in terms of your headcount. There's a real desire to understand what customers are struggling with and to fix that for them. That's part of Stentech's DNA, isn't it?
Exactly. I can really tell you that one of our biggest benefits is several of our CAD engineers, they had previous work with the industry as a process engineers, so they know the problem that the customers are facing, and they speak like exactly the same language. It's not only a designer that, hey, you just make this for me, and they will know, oh, you will have problems here, you will have problems there, I recommend you this.
That's good. That's the key, isn't it? Because, when you think about it, the print process is where many of the quality issues start, and if you can fix things at that level, that's really important. One of the products that I think is really interesting is the blueprint. You picked up some awards for it. First, the Circuits Assembly NPI Award in the US, but most recently the Mexico Technology Award. Congratulations on that. Tell me a bit about the importance of that product to Stentech.
Yeah, definitely. In my 25 years of experience in this industry, I think this is a really breakthrough technology. I have seen the biggest impact since any other like electroform or you name it, nano code. This process is known as physical vapor deposition. Is really pushing the design boundaries to extreme levels. Printing with consistency, which is like mandatory now in the industry, and you can print with less usage of chemical to clean the stencil. You have the repetibility, and it has been really successful in the industry.
And I think what's really interesting is you're putting a thinner coating on, but you're getting much more longevity out of the product, so the product's lasting longer. It means you can get in the walls of the holes, and you can support much higher aspect ratios. So it really is a game changer, not just for the performance of the line, but also working with the designers to design products for smaller and smaller components.
Yeah, it's really important from the design stage that our team said, hey, this is a good candidate for our technology. And not just recommending the technology for every single job. Maybe the ROI will not be there. So this is another benefit of working with us. We will not recommend something that is not needed unless we think. So far, we have been pushing the limit to, I don't know if you are familiarized, the surface area ratio of 0.50.
Wow.
which typically EFAPs are 0.55.
Yeah.
And now we're working a challenging project with a customer located in Chicago and the CM in Reynosa with 0.45 surface area ratio. We haven't done the testing yet,
Yeah.
but we feel pretty confident that,
That you can do it.
we will achieve it.
Yeah. Last question. We're at SMTA Guadalajara. How's the show been, and how important is this particular show for you in the Mexican market?
I think this show has been one of the best in Mexico. We have a lot of people visiting us, a lot of people interested in the technology, and not only like interested, they have already heard about the technology, so they want to know more about it. And I can see the synergy. This already started. We have only 3 months with the manufacturing in Guadalajara.
Okay.
Initially, we were manufacturing everything in Colorado.
Yeah.
But now we have the equipment
Manufacturing
right here in Guadalajara.
which is great. I mean, it's a great story when you're not only delivering technology in Mexico, but you're manufacturing it here as well. Sergio, congratulations on the product. Congratulations on the show, and thanks for talking to me.
Thank you.